On example 4, we want to find the diameter and the radius of a circle to the nearest hundredth if the circumference of the circle is 77.8. So I think this one, I'll use my formula, C equals pi times d. Now, we know the circumference is 77.8. And that equals pi times d. So what I'll do here is I'll divide both sides by pi, and I'll get d. So if I take 77.8 divided by pi, let's use our calculator again. So 77.8 divided by pi, I get 24.76. And we're going to round that to the nearest hundredth. So 24.76. And then to find the radius, we'll just take that and divide it by 2. And I'll keep that in my calculator. Now let's take answer divided by 2. I'll get 12.38. Notice on this one, because of rounding, it didn't really matter. And it's in centimeters, so don't forget your units. And there's our answer. The diameter is 24.76. My radius is 12.38. We have a couple postulates and theorems here. The first one, two circles are congruent if and only if they have the same radii. Hopefully that just makes sense. That if these two circles are the same, we know the radiuses are the same. We know all circles look alike, so they're similar. It's just we might have to do a transformation and a dilation to show how they match up. Concentric circles are two circles with the same center. Notice concentric circles are not equal. They just happen to have the same center. We might have some overlapping. And let's take a look at our last question here. Now, in circle K, I know my diameter is 12. So that tells me my radius is 6. So I know d to k is 6. And then the diameter of j is 20. So I know the radius j to e is 10. I'm told j to d is 8. Well, since I know j to e is 10, that tells me d to e is 2. And since I know d to k is 6, e to k is 4. Oh, that's all we had to do. They didn't ask you for anything else. Just using your segment addition postulate from chapter 1 and applying that to this question.